Is everyone ready to go, or are we still waiting?
Bubbles.
You've already had your brekkie.
Bubbles.
But you've had your brekkie.
Bubbles.
You got your cream on?
Which means maybe we did leave it down at the pool after we went to the beach the first time.
No, but we wouldn't have because you were carrying it back. Alright, we're finally on our way to the beach. That literally took us about an hour and a half to get organised. We spent about 20 minutes looking for our sandcastle stuff. And we can't find it. It's a mystery. So, we'll have to play without it. Are you ready for the beach? Oh, is Daddy going to look at the pool? Yeah. Okay. Looks like there was no sandcastle stuff at the pool. Did you find it? No. No. Nothing. Gave me nothing. So we're just getting ready to go out for dinner. I think we're just going to go to the surf club, which is like literally just across the road, so that's easy. A little bit of a hectic day today. Like, I think that's just what it's like holidaying with kids. Senny and I had a really fun time. Like when Jimmy had a nap, we had that little quiet time, and Senny was doing her like sticker thing, and I was making I think it's called like a loom band, and I loved it. Like, I remember doing stuff like that. Am I annoying you? I remember doing stuff like that when I was in primary school, and I loved it. And it was so nice doing it with Sienna because she's a very up and about little girl. Like, she'll go from one thing to another to another to another. So it was really nice, like just sitting there with her and having that quiet time and doing it. I loved it. I'll show you the bands that we did. This is one that we started working on. This is the other masterpiece. So yeah, that was fun. I'm just going to give the kids a bath now, so then when we come back from our dinner, they're all clean and can just go to bed, and see you later.